Good morning, dear students. Warmly welcome in the Monday morning. Exercise 7.1 we have started. So let's start the question number B. From your book, beta, there is division. Properties of division we have done. All or no. If any number divided by 1, then answer is same. If number divided by same number, then answer is 1. If 0 divided by any number, then answer is 0. Hope you all have done first part. Now start question number B. First question is 28 divided by 4. Do this work in your notebook. 28 divided by 4. First read of 4's table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. If you have any problem, then you can write here tables. 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28. Now check your 4's table. 28 comes? Yes, it comes on 7. So write here 7 and here you will write 28. 28 minus 28, 0. You can put your cross also. So your remainder is here 0 and quotient is here. Right here. Quotient is here 7 or remainder is 0. Like this you will do this question. Now CB part. 95 divided by 5. 95 divided by 5. Now write 5's table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now check here. 9 comes on 5's table? No. 10 is here greater than. So which number is less? 5. Minus 5 ones are 5. Now do minus. 9 minus 5. 4. 5 brings down. Now it becomes 45. Now check here. 45 comes on 9's table? Yes, it comes on 9. 5 nines are 45. So here is remainder also 0. Now our quotient is here 19 and remainder is here 0. Like this you will do this part. Now question number 3. 484 divided by 2. Do yourself this question. Beta, this question you will do. And first of all, tables should be learned all the students. Before starting the multiplication or division, you must learn table up to 20. Now do question number 4. 828 divided by 9. Write here 9's table. 9 ones are 9. 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Now check here. 82 comes on 9's table? 81? No. So 81 is less than 9. Beta, in division first of all you will check the number. अगर तो वो नंबर उस टेबल में आ रहा है देन इट्स ओके. अगर नंबर नहीं आ रहा है तो आप उससे लेस वाला नंबर चेक करोगे कि कौन सा नंबर उससे छोटा है. वो यहाँ पे लिखना है आपने. 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 8 0. So now 8 brings down. It becomes 18. Now check here. 18 comes on 9's table? Yes. 9 twos are 18. 18 minus 18 0. So your quotient is here 92 and remainder is here 0. Clear? Beta, from multiplication or division, from division we will do all the parts. Okay, don't leave any parts because practice is must in maths. So do practice. Now we will start question number 5. Here is 954 divided by 3. First check 3's table. 9 comes on, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So write here 3 or here you will write 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 5 brings down. Now check on 3's table. 5 comes here. No. So which number is less than 5? 3. It comes on 1. 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 brings down. So it becomes 24. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. It comes on 8. Now 24 minus 24, 0. So your quotient is here 318 or remainder is here 0. Now see question number 6. First write 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Now check here, 31 comes on 6 table. No. So which number is less than 31? 30. It comes on 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 6 brings down. Now it becomes 16. 16 also not come. So which number is less than 12? 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So 2 brings down. Now it becomes 42. Check here, 42 comes. Yes. 6 7s are 42. 42 minus 42, 0. So your quotient is here 527 and remainder is here 0. बेटा this is divisor. जिस नंबर से आप डिवाइड करोगे वो क्या होगा? डिवाइजर. जिस नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं दैट इज नोन एज डिविडेंड. इसको डिविडेंड बोलते हैं, इसको डिवाइजर बोलते हैं. एंड इट्स योर क्वोशिएंट और हियर इज रिमाइंडर. Now see 5334 divided by 2. It's very easy. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 brings down 13. 2 के टेबल में 13 तो नहीं आ रहा. So 2 6s are 12. 13 minus 12, 1. Again 3 brings down. It becomes 13. 2 6s are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. So now 4 brings down. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14, 0. So your quotient is here 2667 and remainder is here 0. Now last question is, first of all write down 8's table. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Now check here, 2 comes. No. 2 is less than 8, so we will count here 2 digit number. 2 digit means 25. So check here, 25 comes on 8's table. No. So which number is less than 24? 8 3s are 24. 5 minus 4, 1. So 8 brings down. Now it becomes 18. 8 2s are 16. 18 भी नहीं आ रहा इसके टेबल में, तो इससे छोटा नंबर क्या आएगा? 16. नाउ 8 minus 6, 2. 4 brings down 24. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 24 comes here 24 minus 24, 0. Your quotient is here 323 and remainder is here 0. So we have completed question number 2, means B part. Tomorrow we will start next question, and watch all the videos carefully. Thank you and have a wonderful day.